Hello and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create your own NFT on Gate.io. We are going to show you how to create an account on Gate.io, how to create your own NFT collection on the platform, and how to apply for a verification certificate for your NFT collection. So watch this video till the end to better understand the complete process. First, you need to create an account on Gate.io. To do so, click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner. On the Sign Up page, enter your email ID here, create a password, enter a referral ID if you have one, accept the user agreement, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete and verify the reCAPTCHA in the pop-up window. Copy the code from your email ID and paste it here. Then you will be automatically redirected to your dashboard. Now click on the NFT button on the top of the page. You will be taken to the NFT page of Gate.io, and here you can see it is easy and free to create your first NFT on Gate NFT, a one-stop service to create, exhibit, sell and store NFTs. Click on the Create button here. If you don't have a collection yet, you need to create one. Click on the Click to Create Collection button. Now on this page, you need to create a collection for your NFT. First, you need to enter the name for your collection. And for the collection name, all Gate.io NFT collections have unique names. So choose your collection name uniquely. Use only letters, numbers, underscores, and spaces. Avoid illegal characters. And keep in mind that the maximum character length is 20. From here, you have to upload a logo for your collection. Remember that the recommended image's resolution should be 315 to 350 pixels. Click here to browse for an image from your computer. After selecting an image, you will see it getting uploaded here. Below this, you can upload a cover for your collection. The recommended size for it is 600 into 400 pixels. The collection cover is optional. If you don't want to use anything here, just leave it blank. Below this, you can see the collection showcase banner. The image will show on the top of the collection. And the recommended size is 1920 into 200 pixels. This as well is optional. Select a category for your collection from this drop-down menu. You have categories here like art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, and utility. Now you need to add a description for your collection, but it is optional. You can leave it blank or enter the details in this box. Next, you need to add related links for your collection. You can add a website, or you can add a link to Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Medium, or Telegram. These links are also optional. If you have them, you can add them here, or else just leave it blank here. Now you need to select a chain for your collection. The default is selected as Gate NFT. It is better to leave it as it is. Next, you have to add a copyright royalty, which is also an optional detail. You can enter your percentage tax rate, which shouldn't exceed more than 10%. The tax rate is the percentage of the fee charged by other users when reselling your creations. This fee will be deducted from the final transaction price, and the system will settle each royalty to your spot account. From here, you can put a limit on the maximum number of assets that a single user can purchase of your portfolio in the primary market. If you want to put a limit, enable the Yes button here and enter a number in the box. And finally, click on the Confirm and Create button. If the collection is successfully created, you will be taken to your collection page. Here you can see your NFT collection's logo, and from here you can apply for the official certification of your NFT collection. Here you will see the name of the NFT collection that you had set. You can find the statistics of your NFT collection here, which shows number of items, number of owners, floor price, and traded volume. Here you can see the description of your NFT. Below you will see the items and the activity tabs. When someone starts trading with your NFT, the statistics will appear here. Now let's see how you can apply for the certification of your NFT collection. For this, click on the Apply for Official Certification button and you will be taken to the verification form page. This certification will prove that your NFT collection is genuine and unique. On the page, you can see the details about the verification form here. It states that Gate.io has launched the NFT Magic Box Original Works collection to improve the platform's quality of artwork and to attract only original NFT artworks. Also, this form is only for consideration purposes and it is not guaranteed that filling and submitting it will give your project a verification from Gate.io. Your submission can be rejected or even declined, or Gate.io can also remove your verification if you don't follow the community guidelines. Collections which look like spin offs, remixes, or homages do not get verified, and that is to protect users. The Gate.io team will take 5 days to review the verification request and they will share contact information if users or buyers inquire about your project. Let's now look at how you can apply and submit this verification form. First, it asks what is your project name. Here, enter the complete name of your project in the box. Second, it asks for a link to your project's collection on Gate.io, and here you have to enter the link of your NFT collection. To get that, open your NFT collection page and copy the URL and paste it here. Next, you need to provide a contact for your project and include a valid email address. So you have to enter your contact detail here and your registered email address. Next, you need to provide proof of identity. And this can be in the form of your LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, or Instagram profile. So basically, you can use the IDs of your LinkedIn account or your GitHub ID or your Twitter or Instagram IDs. Next, the submitted collection does not effectuate, enable, or facilitate any financial activities subject to registration or licensing. Here, you need to select any option which is yes or no. Next, the submitted collection does not involve the payment of dividends, interest, financial rewards, or related benefits. Again, just select the option yes or no. Next, the submitted collection's website, communications, and marketing materials contain no promise of future increase in value. Again, you need to just select yes or no. The next is the submitted collection's owners own or have licensed all IP rights, including trademark, copyright, and publicity rights. Just select yes or no. And lastly, the submitted collection will comply with the law of the US and other relevant jurisdictions. Again, just select yes or no. And finally, click on the submit button. The Gate.io team will review your application and you will get an update via email about it in approximately 5 working days. And thus, we have completed our tutorial on how to create an account on Gate.io, how to create your own NFT collection, and how to apply for a verification certificate for your NFT collection. This brings this video to an end. We truly hoped it has increased your understanding about creating NFT collections on Gate.io. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment them below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.